Hi friends, how are you? Today I have a very exciting game to show you. I have these cards with so many pictures. We are going to make all these pictures using these wooden colorful shapes. Wow, let's start our game then. First, we sort out our blocks or these wooden sticks. Let's take them out in this basket. Wow, we have so many shapes here. See? Can you check them out? There are some sticks. Let's sort all these shapes so that we can make the pictures very easily. So we have some like large semicircles. They are more like C's. Let's put them together like this. And we have some small red shapes like they look like U, the alphabet U. What a different shape can you make? Interesting. So let's put all these here. Some more semicircles we have. We have some small green ones too. And we have some circles like zeros or O's. It also looks like eyes. Wow. And here we have some other light blue sticks, right? Here they are. Okay, so let's start making some pictures. You can choose any card and make it. Wow, do you know what picture it is? It looks like an orange. Let's make an orange then. Let's start making an orange. For an orange, we have to make a circle first. So here we have two orange semicircles. Join them together. Wow, we made a circle here. And then there is a leaf. For a leaf, you need some green shapes, these small green ones. Are these the ones? No, I don't think so. Let's look them again. I think there are some other. Yes, I found them. These are the smaller ones. So you make a leaf like this. Here. Put the other one here. Like this. And wow, what a nice orange I made. Very nice. So, okay. What's the next thing? Wow, look at here. It's a car. Can you help me make this car? Let's make this car together. For a car, we need first we make the tires. You want to make the tires first? See, it has a green circle, and inside the green circle is an orange one or the yellow one. Okay, let's start it. Let's start with the tires. Make these green ones with the big green circles. Very nice. You made one. And the other tire. Good. Now we put these greens. These are the wheels of the car. Wow. Now start with the large blue ones. These blue straight lines. a small light blue straight line. Exactly. And then another blue one here. Then we make the like this. Need some more like this. And oh, it's a big one. Great. And make it straight like this. You join the hue with it like this. And we need some other light blue straight lines to make the cabin of this car. This looks like an old car. And oh, one thing is still missing. This hood. Okay. Oh, what a nice car it is. We made just like the picture. Oh, wow, what a fun game it is, right? So, see, we can also use these circles and these shapes to make some faces. Can you make a happy face? We know how to make a happy face. I know you know that. For a face, you need 2 eyes. And you can make a small nose like this and a big smile. Oh wow, that's a happy face. And you can use these small sticks to make the eyebrows. Oh, it looks, or you can make it more happier like this. Wow, it looks more happier now. See? Wow. Can you make a sad face? Just tilt it down. Oh, it's a sad face now. Oh no, what a sad face it is. Okay, what other emotion do you know? Can you make an angry face? Huh? Let's try making an angry face. Okay, so how about an angry face? Oh, that's see, that's an like an angry face. That's a funny angry face. See, I think these eyes should be more red in color if you want to make that angry. Okay, so what else can we make it? We have another card. Oh, you can also make some alphabets. You know what alphabet it is? Yes, A. It's A. A is for apple. Let's make an A with it. That's very easy. That's the capital A. A is for apple. A. Apple. Up. Apple. Can you make a small lowercase a? Yes, you know that. It's like this. That's the lowercase a. Wow, it's so simple. And what else? You can also make some B with it. B is for bat, or B is for ball. Let's make a B. Like this. Make a straight line first. some things like this. Then we're gonna join them with these green ones like this. And see, I think this looks better. Right. That's the alphabet B, and for the lowercase B is also very easy. Wow, that's B. Great job. Okay, let's see what other cards we have. The next one is a house. Oh wow, that's a very nice house. Let's try making this house now. This is the base. Then we make this the center panel of the house first. You know, you can change the colors if you like, but I like the blue one. It's nice too. Really, very great. You can make two if you want to make a little bit bigger house like this. Let's make the side walls. Now I'm going to make this roof with the light blue smaller ones. To here, to here. I need another one in the basket. To here. Uh-oh, I missed it. Be careful. Okay, and oh, we have some circle windows here. One window is here, another one for this room, and another window for this room. One thing is missing. Can you guess that? This is a house, but it has no gate in it. How can we enter it without a gate? Let's make the gate. Or the door, you can say. You can make this door. It's red. Wow. What a lovely house we have made. And it's so simple. Do you like this video? Please remember to press the like button and subscribe my channel for more exciting games. Bye bye.